Good morning, 10th class children. Today, in continuation of 13.2 exercise, and there are few problems are left. Today, let us solve these problems, remaining problems. I am explaining all problems. Please practice again at home. Easy. See, yesterday we completed 8 problems. Now ninth page number 325. New. I will read the question. Ninth one. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. There are 20 total number of bulbs. Total number of bulbs. Total number of bulbs 20. Defective bulbs. Defective bulbs. Defective bulbs are 4. Good ones. Number of good bulbs is equal to 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. One bulb is selected at random from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? Bulb is defective. Suppose the bulb selected in previous case is not defective and is not replaced. Now one bulb is selected at random from the rest. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? Not defective means good ones. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? Not defective means good ones. So this is the question. Probability of asking of first bit. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? So probability of defective bulb is equal to how many bulbs are there? So first you write the formula. Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. See, fraction. So favorable outcomes, defective bulbs are asking. So there are 4 defective bulbs out of 20. So 4 ones are 4 5. Answer is 1 by 5. I'm not the one. Suppose the bulb is selected in previous case is not defective and is not replaced. Now one bulb is selected random from the rest. Now one bulb is selected random from the rest. What is the probability that the bulb is not defective? So good one. This is first bit. Second bit, probability of good bulbs, good bulb is equal to one bulb is a good bulb. Suppose the bulb selected in previous case not defective and not replaced, it is not kept inside. Good bulb is kept outside. So businessmen will put outside for knowing to know the customers. Oh, we are selling bulbs also, good bulbs also. So they keep one good bulb outside. They are hanging before the shop. So out of 16 good ones, one bulb taken out to show the customers. It is kept in the showroom like that. So remaining bulbs are 15 and one bulb is removed, no? 9. Out of 20, a good bulb is kept outside kept in the showroom to know the customer. That's why remaining bulbs are 20. Out of 20, one removed, one outside, kept outside. Good bulb. Total number of good bulbs are 16 and one bulb kept outside. So the remaining rest are 15 bulbs. So answer is 15, not 20. Why not 20? Because we kept one bulb outside. So there remains only 19 bulbs. Good bulbs are 50. No, this is 9%. 10th one. I will read 10th question. You also read. A box contains 90 discs, which are numbered from 1 to 90. This is 10th question. 10 by 325 page. Okay. Total number of discs. Total number of discs 90. Number as 1 to 90. So one disc is selected at random from the box. Find the probability that the disc bears a 2-digit number. Number 1, probability of 2-digit number. 2-digit number. 2-digit number. 2-digit number. Second question, a perfect square. Probability of a perfect square. Perfect square. Third case, number divisible by 5. Number divisible by 5. Number divisible by 5. This is the question. There are 90 discs. The discs means just you might have seen round plates, CD plates. So they are numbered from 1 to 90. Total number of discs are 90. Here, two-digit numbers C, take two from among the 90, 1 to 90, two-digit numbers starts 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, dash, up to 90, two digits. So, from 11 to 90, 80 and this 10. Totally there are 81. 81 two-digit numbers. You think it is your common sense? since you are 10th class student, no, you can find 2-digit numbers. Starts from 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, like that up to 90. All are 2-digit numbers. We know total number of digits is 90. From 11 to 90, 80, and one extra 10 is there. So 81. Total number of two digits numbers are 81 by 90. So this is 9 9s are 9 10s are. Probability of two digit numbers is 9 by 10. No doubt. Next, a perfect square. Perfect squares see 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25 dash 9, 81. Perfect squares. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 8. Up to 9. Up to 9. 9 square is 81. 10 means 10 square 100 not there. 90 only. Total number of pieces are 90. So 10 won't come. We get only 9. 9. We get only 9. So that is 9 by 9. This is so equal to 9. Answer is 9 by 90. That is 1 by 10. A perfect square. So perfect squares among 1 to 10, 90 are these 9 only. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 5 square up to 9 square. To 9 only. 9 by 9, 1 by 10. And a number divisible by 5. What are the numbers divisible by 5? You know? 5 from among 1 to 90, first number is 5, next 10, 15, 20, dash, up to 90. So count the numbers, we get 18. We get 18 numbers. We get 18 numbers. So you count right all numbers and probability, because total number of divide 5 ones are 5 18s. So there are 18 by 90. Total number of bits are 90. 18 ones are 18 5s. So 1 by 4. Like this. This is step problem. Note down. First, suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region shown in the figure. There is a rectangle and there is a circle. There is a circle. Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region shown in the figure. What is the probability that will land inside the circle with diameter 1 meter? Diameter is 1 meter. 1 m. D is equal to 1 meter. Diameter is equal to 1 meter. And length of the rectangle is given 3 meter. And this length of the breadth of the rectangle is 2 meters. Find the probability that will land inside. Probability that will land inside the circle. Land inside the circle. Inside the circle. Circle area. Land inside the circle. This is the first draw rectangle and a circle of diameter 1 meter. Write the measurements. Probability. Possible area of the circle area by rectangle area. Circle area by rectangular in the rectangle area. We know circle area of pi r square. With diameter pi squared by 4 also. Next area of the rectangle is then divided. So we divide. So area of the circle by area of the rectangle. Like here. This is 11th problem. Is equal to area of the circle by area of the circle by area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. Area of the circle formula pi r squared and L into D. Pi 22 by 7, radius 1 by 2 meter and length 3 meter, breadth 2 meter. Now see, 2 ones are 2 11s are. So 11 by 7 into 2 into 3 into 2. 7 into 2 on the numerator, the denominator 3 into 2. Totally 84. So product of the denominator is 84. So this is the answer. 11 by 84. Probability is 11 by 84. Yes, that's all. Note down. See 12th question. A lot consists of 144 ball pens, of which 20 are defective and the others are good. Total number of pens. Total number of ball pens. Total number of ball pens. 144. Defective pens. Number of defective pens. Defective pens 20. Number of good pens. Number of good pens is equal to 144 minus 20. This is 124. So this is the data given in the problem. This is an event. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives two to Sudha. Okay. what is the probability she will buy? Probability of good one. We purchase only good one, good pens. So probability of good pen and second one she will not buy. So we won't buy bad pens or defective pen. Defective pen. Generally we won't buy defective ones and we buy only good ones. So probability of good pens 124 by 144 and bad pens, defective pens 20 by 144. Yes. Write down and solve. See, this is 124 by 144. 4 3s are 4 1s are 4 3s are 12, 4 6 are. This is and second one 20 defective pens out of 144. So 4 5s are 4 3s are 4 6 are. So 5 by 36, right. This is 12th one.